Hey guys, AMD Tech here, and welcome back to a new video after a little over a year, featuring my voice. I'm sorry for the lack of uploads over this past year, or a year and a half if you count the gap from when I uploaded another video 6 months before my last video. Today, I will be discussing where I have been since March 2025, what I've been up to, and some updates regarding this channel. Without further ado, let's get started. For the past year, there has been only one reason that has prevented me from making videos. Life. Life has gotten in the way from me pushing out videos more frequently in 2025, and especially now as I'm uploading this video. When I first started this channel, I was just some guy in front of a computer making horrible videos on a potato computer with only 4GB of RAM and not knowing what to expect. This was when I had some 40 subscribers in 2018. Now, I have about 1,340 subscribers on my channel at the time I'm making this video, thanks to some notable videos, such as Rick Astley Goes to Thailand and some of my Windows bootleg review videos. Those were uploaded when I was able to manage YouTube with university, but now, with work, and especially my real life in the way, it has become way harder to upload after 2025, especially with university, since I had a lot of exams after my third year, which forced me to prioritize university over my YouTube channel. I have been more active on Discord and sometimes Twitter, where I did post some stuff recently, as well as the community tab, where I post some updates to the hardware I use, as well as some general announcements. You might have also seen me in the comments section of some videos that you have watched, but that's pretty much it. As for videos, I simply just lost the motivation to keep going after I got sick with a major fever in July 2024, which lasted for an entire week, and that loss of motivation continued from late 2024 into 2025. Compared to when I first started this channel back in 2018, I had more time to make videos, but now, as an adult, I have some major stuff in life that I have to prioritize. As a side hobby, I have been doing ABC's videos, or about box closing style videos, on Odyssey, which those were easy to edit and usually took up less time to get a video uploaded, about 40 minutes if you will. Whereas making a bootleg video would take about 2 hours, sometimes even a whole day, depending on the number of apps and themes it has. Those who have been subscribed since 2018 might remember these videos from me, but those were poorly edited with almost little to no effort in them. Recently, I have stopped uploading to that channel entirely, with the exception of 4 old videos from 2020, which I have uploaded in February of this year, due to the same reasons. As for bootleg and OS review videos, I might stop making them entirely, due to the recent drama in the Windows community, which also involves some WinTubers. If you don't know what that means, it means people who do Windows related videos. I have never been a part of said communities, and I never will. The ones I made before remain up since a lot of you enjoyed them. Going forward, I will probably upload a new video every once in a while after this video goes up. However, this isn't a guarantee. As I stated earlier, life can get in the way and thus prevent me from making videos. For those who have been subscribed to my YouTube channel since 2018, or when I started becoming popular, or even found my channel now, I want to thank all of you for the support you have given me over this past almost 8 years of this channel. I know some of you have probably forgotten you have this channel in your subscriptions list, but I am glad you found my videos useful. I will definitely look back at my old content, despite them being cringe and bad. There are people out there that stood on through this channel's growth. I have made many friends along the journey, and I also thank you to those who support me from the day I started this channel. Even though I have not hit 2,000 subscribers yet, I am still happy with what I have accomplished over the past 7 years. I don't know what the future holds for me for both this channel and real life, but I will surely come back and be proud of all the content I uploaded, whether it was good or bad, as it helped this channel grow. I never thought I'd be doing this as a full-time hobby now back in 2018. I always thought that soon enough Windows related videos would be overrated, but I'm still glad that people are still making them to this day. To those who have watched this video up to here, I thank you for listening to my voice and understanding the situation of this channel. And yes, I will be keeping this channel up in case if you want to rewatch some of my videos. And yes, I am also against age verification. Shout out to the friends I have made over this past 7 years. You know who you are. It was nice talking to you all. For those who want to keep in contact with me, you can follow me on Twitter, Blue Sky, which I will start posting on there more often, or you can join my Discord server. All links for those will be in the description of this video. If I have any updates regarding videos, I will definitely be sure to post them in the community tab. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a good rest of your day. This is AMD Tech, over and out.